If your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus is charging slowly, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just check your charging cable and check if it is damaged or not. Also make sure you use Apple's original 20-watt fast charger with your iPhone, so you could get the maximum charging speed. Now after you do that, then just check the charging port of your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. Now after you've done that, then just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. In the control center, just go to the connection section, then just tap on the airplane mode and turn it on when your iPhone is charging. Because when airplane mode is enabled, it will disable your Wi-Fi, mobile data and all the other connections. So your iPhone will not drain your battery while it is charging. Also, before charging your iPhone, just go to the recent apps section and close any apps which is running in the background. Also, do not use your iPhone while it is charging. After that, just go to settings and tap on battery. Now from here, just tap on charging and disable optimized battery charging. Select turn off, and also if you have set any charging limit, just swipe the slider to the right side and select set limit to 100% or 95%. Then go back and tap on power mode, and from here just enable low power mode when your iPhone is charging. Now if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. For that, just go to settings and tap on general. Under the general settings, just tap on software update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix the slow charging problem on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.